I'm so happy. Welcome to our video.
Yeah.
And today we are going to play with our Undertale figurines. Undertale figurines!
Yeah, Undertale!
You're excited. We're excited. Let's start. Oh. You're excited. We're excited. Let's do this. You're excited. We're excited. Let's do this. Whoa!
Wait, like,
So
do you know Undertale?
it's a game which was aired in 2015.
Yeah, so we started having these, two of these.
Yeah, it's a pixely RPG.
And but my brother had this cute lizard. Yeah, that cute lizard that I'm gonna be.
Yeah. So basically what Undertale is, it's a game, but I haven't played it before, but there's mobile versions of the game.
Yeah.
Yeah. So why do we like it? The bosses, these are the bosses.
Yeah.
They look cute, nice, and sometimes well designed.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's colorful. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos.
Yeah.
And make sure you watch them all. Don't forget to support our channel.
Here's Tammy. She's a cute little kitten, and she's so cute, and her box is adorable, and she has a mug here and some maybe a drink, yeah.
So this is Flowey. He's one of the main characters of the game because he's a golden flower with a face on it, and you know what's good? You can remove his face. And you know, I hid other faces in my room, so yeah.
Our room. Here's Alfie's, my brother's favorite character and my favorite character too. She's so cute, and I have the same glasses, and so cute and so yellow, and my brother wished that he has a plushie like that.
Oh yes, look here, it's Meton, the robot. So he has a switch on the back because he can turn into the EX form, and we have figures of that, but we'll review that later. And it's pretty much detailed, the face and the tiles and everything. Yeah, it's good.
Now I'll get Toriel.
Hi.
So here's Toriel, a cute little goat here. She likes baking pie and loves taking care of little kids, the player Frisk, and learning and reading books. She was growing up being a teacher.
So here are the final ones.
Yeah, the form, if you flip the switch, but it's not pressable, but you could flip this.
Yeah. So I'm making the pose of the game when he starts dancing, and you know what? It's a good fidget toy when you're bored.
Yeah, you pose it and play with the head spinning around. And guess what? It's a helicopter.
It's a ball joint.
Yeah.
Even it's the bendable arms, those smiley face thingies you see in dollar stores.
And do you know why they're like 2? Because I like Metaton EX 2. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Shout out to all my friends at École Rivière Rouge.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video.
Bye.